Okay, so what we're going to talk about now is how to insert files into a notebook presentation. To do that, we're going to use a PDF file that's been created and then also a Word document. Take a look at both of those since the process is basically the same. To insert a document into a notebook presentation, the easiest thing to do is to go how you would print. In your printer, you're going to pick the Smart Notebook Document Writer, and that'll be attached as a printer through any program that you would print from in the first place. You choose that, you choose OK. It'll take a little bit for it to boot up. When it does, it's going to ask you a question if you want to leave it the way that it normally is, or if you want to try to make it editable. If you make it editable, it's going to be not quite as crisp and clear, but it will be something that you can move the objects around and redo text, things like that. What we're going to go ahead and do is make it an image. So the first option, because that will take exactly what's here and make it look exactly the same on your notebook file. It is an image. At that point, you can treat it just like a regular image. You can make it larger. You can rotate it. Anything of that nature. Let's go ahead and take a look at how that works through a Word document. Again, I'm going to go to the print. I'm going to choose my Smart Notebook Document Writer, and I'm going to go ahead and click on Print. It's going to take a second or two to boot up. But when it does, it'll ask me once again if I would like to make it an image or to try to make it something that will be editable. So we're going to go ahead and pick the image option. And there we go. There it is, already inserted into our notebook folder or file. So what's very useful with this, if you have handouts that your students are trying to do in class and you have just the workbook file itself, you can print it directly into Smart Notebook and you have a copy up front that's exactly the same as what it is that they're doing in class. So the students can just come up and show how they solved something or how they did work just right there on the board using the pens, using the tools and things that you have available as part of the Smartboard. So again, real quick, in order to insert a document into a notebook file, all you need to do is go to Print and then choose the Smart Notebook Document Writer.